This is the Pokemon Go Plus Plus, and here's what you need to know. So today I'm going to be showing you the Pokemon Go Plus Plus along with some pros and cons and some tricks I've learned along the way. So let's start with out of the box. You get the Pokemon Go Plus Plus, a lanyard. There's a clip that comes that's got a magnet in here so you can keep it, I guess, from flopping around, and a charging cord. USB-C charging. And then there's your little speaker on the bottom so Pikachu can yell at you. The device houses a main button and a top button, which is your battery indicator light, and this does all the magic. Instructions are pretty vague, so I'm going to show you what I've learned and what everything means. Alright, so first off, pairing is as simple as loading Pokemon Go, go into settings, connect the devices, and then go to accessory devices. It will show you how to pair, but then that's pretty much it. Once you pair, you'll see the menu for auto throw, auto spin, ball selection, and a few other settings. One cool feature is pairing the device unlocks a set of special research tasks along with a sleep feature that will give you daily gifts and XP. So now, what do all the lights mean? I live in the middle of nowhere, so can't really show you them, but I will explain what they are and what they do. Your top button shows your battery life. So green is charged, yellow is mildly decreased, blinking yellow is heavily decreased, and then red is low battery. The main button, if you press the main button and it lights up white, it means your device isn't paired with the app. Once paired, you'll hear Pikachu greet you, same with unpairing. Once paired, if you hit the main button, you'll get a vibration indication that it's live and ready. Green solid light means a Pokemon has appeared that you've recently encountered. Yellow means a new Pokemon has appeared. If you get blinking red lights after white, it means the Pokemon has run away. If you get rainbow lights, it means the Pokemon has been caught successfully. Now, if you get blinking red lights right after green or yellow, that means you're out of balls. White blinking after green or yellow means storage is full. These are the same indicators for when you encounter a Pokestop, which lights up blue when you're nearby. And if you ever get a red blinking light, it's usually an indication for a network error. So check your service to make sure you're on Wi-Fi or you're on mobile. It's usually what that means. Okay, now let's get into some pros and cons. The device can auto catch and spin stops, which means you can do other things without the need of having Pokemon Go in your hands. As long as it's running, it will do its thing. Another cool thing is that if you're in battle or raid, you can still catch and spin Pokestops on auto or with the push of a button. It will not interfere with the battle. One other cool thing is the sleep feature, which if you press and hold the main button while it's flat on a surface, it will go into sleep mode and track your sleep, and it'll even give you gifts the next day. So with every good, there's bad. And here are some of those cons. It is not a guaranteed catch. So if you're running a daily incense or have a community day, you may want to take off auto catch so you can first go through for shinies, or just in case a rare pops up, you have a better chance of catching on your own. Another con is that although it has auto throw, it will only auto throw Pokeballs. So if you run out of Pokeballs and it's set on auto, you can't just press the main button to override to throw another ball. You have to put it in manual mode, and then it can throw Great Balls and Ultra Balls, but not on auto. Another thing is that although it will auto catch and spin, it won't do them simultaneously. So this means if you have to take off Identify Pokemon to spin Pokestops more often, because it will always favor Pokemon, or sit there until it gets all the Pokemon to then spin the stops. So, hope this helps you with your Pokemon Go Plus Plus, or helps you with knowing if you want one or not. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy catching!